over here on the lake, Amelia, and I been finding. I fucked up about it sometimes. This is what it is. It's not that big. Little coal over there, a lot of timber. A lot of timber in the thing. Lots of timber. I'm just riding around for now. See how everything goes. Yeah, a lot of timber. This is the end of the lake right here. The end of the lake goes out there miles, man. Not miles, but I don't know. We'll go to the other side too. Fuck it. It's a little diesel of Amelia Wildlife. This is where the big bass are caught. Now we in the middle, so right over there, and then right here in the middle, over there, check it out. We got this timber right here, man. You can see it. This timber. We gotta bring the aqua crew up over here. Got lots of timber right here. All that timber. And we got more back over there, so we'll check and see what that is. But there's the lake. So I'll see you later, man. I guess come over to my house.